Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Kenmore washer that is not turning on in 2026. Now, a washer that won't start can often be fixed by checking a few simple connections and internal components. So here is how you can do it step by step. So first of all, you need to start by checking the power source. You need to ensure that the washer is firmly plugged into the wall outlet. So you can just simply go to your home's circuit breaker panel and look for the switch labeled for the laundry room. If the breaker has tripped to the middle position, you can flip it all the way to off, and then you just have to simply turn it back on to restore the power to the machine. After doing so, you need to simply inspect the lid switch. For top load models, you can lift the lid and press the small plastic lid switch with your finger. For front load models, you can ensure that the door latch is fully engaged. If machine does not detect that the door is closed and locked, it will refuse to provide power to the control panel for safety purposes. After doing so, you can also perform a hard reset. So in this hard reset, what you're going to do is you just have to simply unplug the washer from the wall and wait for exact 60 seconds. While it is unplugged, you can also press and hold the power or the start buttons for about 5 seconds to dissipate any remaining electrical charge. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.